Today we will talk about sworn declaration of gross receipts or sales. There are different types of taxpayers. First, let's discuss individual payee. They are the professionals, agents, talents, teachers, etc. who receives amount for services rendered. The first type of individual payee are those with multiple payers. If the person's gross receipt is projected not to exceed 3 million, he needs to submit Annex B1 together with his certificate of registration or COR to his payer. For example, a videographer of GMA is projected to have an income of 200,000 a month or 2.4 million a year. He needs to fill out Annex B1, have it notarized, and attach documentary stamp worth 30 pesos. Per BIR, he needs to submit it together with the COR before January 15 to GMA or the payer. But per GMA, Finance Department, they want their talents to submit the form by the end of December. If the videographer submits Annex B1 on time, he will be subjected to 5% withholding tax. However, if he did not submit anything to GMA, he will be subjected to 10% withholding tax. This is an example of Annex B1. First, you have to write your name, your address, your TIN number, the name of your payer, the income type, and the address of your payer, and the year to date. Check the box appropriate for you and complete it, everything with the dates and the place of notarization. Have it notarized and stamped with 30 pesos documentary stamp. The second type of individual payees are those with one payer. If the person's gross receipt is projected not to exceed 250,000, he needs to submit Annex B2 together with his COR to his payer. Example, a writer talent of GMA is projected to have an income of 20,000 a month or 240,000 a year. He needs to submit Annex B2 and his COR to GMA. This form will allow him to be exempted to withholding tax. However, if his income exceeds 250,000 during the year, the payer will automatically deduct 10% starting from the day the income reached 250,000. This is an example of Annex B2. Same with Annex B1, you just have to write your name, address, etc., have it notarized, attach a 30 peso documentary stamp. Once notarized and stamped, pass the form to your payer. The next type of taxpayer is the non-individual. Non-individuals are partnership and corporations, including one-person corporation. The non-individual shall submit Annex B3 and the COR to the payer. This form will allow the non-individual to be subjected to 10% withholding tax. If the non-individual's projected annual gross receipt exceeds 720,000, the withholding tax will be 15%. Here are some frequently asked questions. What if individual payee fails to submit a sworn declaration? The individual payee will be subjected to 10% withholding tax. What if the non-individual payee fails to submit a sworn declaration? The non-individual payee will be subjected to 15% withholding tax. Can I still submit a sworn statement after the due date? No. You will be subjected to 10% withholding tax if individual or 15% if non-individual payee. Okay, to summarize, if the projected annual gross receipt does not exceed 250,000, submit the form B2 to your payer and you will be exempted from withholding tax. However, if your gross receipts um, reach 250, then you will be subjected to 10% withholding tax. If your projected annual gross receipt naman is between 250 to 3 million, Then you have to submit Annex B1 and you will be subjected to 5% withholding tax. If you fail to submit the form, any form, you will be subjected to 10% withholding tax. If your gross receipts exceeds 3 million during the year, the payer will subject you to 10% withholding tax. That's it, guys. Thank you.